And like I've really been nailing home for the last 6 months, you need to be in the Word of God every day like your life depends on it. You know, for several months, I didn't understand why I was saying like your life depends on it. Now I get it. I was just being obedient and saying it. But now it's clear. Because that's the one way you commune with the Lord. I understand listening to gospel music is good and listening to preachers talk is one thing, but that is not communing. That is not intimacy with the Lord. Intimacy with the Lord is reading the Word of God or listening to the Word of God in the privacy where it's just you and Him. And it is a time where that needs to be the focus. Because there is a double-edged sword to this. Even though there is a shaking and a correction coming, there's also going to be an outpouring of His Spirit like no time in history. Pentecost in the ancient days was a foreshadowing for what is coming right now. He's going to pour His Spirit upon all flesh. You're talking supernatural spirit of discernment. No longer is the Ark of the Covenant or a tabernacle tent needed. We are all walking tabernacles, literally walking temples of His glory. And He's looking for willing vessels that are surrendered, have died to self, and are fully obedient so He can pour out that glory. He's looking for His glory carriers. Happy birthday, Bev.